Hello, this is a video demonstration of the RTC Camera and Screen project that is part of the RTC Helper GitHub project. To get started, first download the zip file RTC Camera from this project. Then in your Chrome browser, open the extensions page. Find the RTC Camera zip in your File Explorer or Finder. Enable the developer mode on the extensions page and then drag it to the extensions page. Once it is installed, click on the extension icon and pin it so that it's available in the address bar. To test if the extension works, I have provided a test page, or you can use any other WebRTC Get User Media demo pages. This is just doing a Get User Media, capture the camera and put it on the video box here. So without the extension, if you click on it, it will just capture your regular camera, configure the camera, allow the permissions and so on. To use the extension, click on this extension icon. Let me separate this out as a separate window so that I can do that side by side for the demo. To enable the extension, one of the customization features, say for example, I want to do blur background. Click on the blur and save it. Refresh the page, click on capture, blur is applied. There are several other options that I'll go through here. This one is like blur, but it also hides the background by making it grayscale. This one is for hiding the foreground instead of background for privacy. This one is just removing the background, making it white. This one is the standard virtual background with the background image. I provide a background image by default, but you can also choose a background image by clicking on this. You can choose a picture, or you can choose a video. So as an example, let me choose a video. So my background is a video now. This one is just a logo and text. So if I select this, save, enable my camera, it shows a tiny logo on one side. You can change the, for example, the position of the logo, or you can pick the logo and text. So I can change the text to my name as an example, change the logo to this. Every time you upload a file, you have to restart the capture. So here I'm going to show on Google Meet how the camera and screen extension applies. I'm going to enable my camera here, select virtual background. This is a blur background, remove background. So this side is just the Google Meet web app, not the installed app. And this is the options here. If I'm presenting something, let me try this one. Oh, here it goes. So not all the options will work on all the websites. For example, auto framing won't work on Google Meet. Screen sharing won't work. So here I would like to show how it integrates with Zoom. This is the Zoom app, meeting I created locally, and from another participant I'm joining it from the web. as a browser. Okay. Now I'm going to apply one of these, say, privacy mode, and try to enable the webcam here. So you can see here the other Zoom participant will see my privacy mode webcam. I can do other things here such as logo, and the other participant will see the logo and text on the bottom here. So the next one is combining multiple webcams if you have into single video feed. I select this. I have a virtual camera and a real camera that shows up here. The next one is like auto framing of Zoom. To try to put my face in the center. I come closer, I go far, and so on. Next one is uploading a video file. So for example, if you want to share some video that you have locally, you can choose the video file. I have some video here that I want to share, and when you do get user media, it will use that video. Next one is just to capture your screen or window and send that as webcam feed. So for example, I can pick one of the videos and that goes as the webcam feed. Next one is like screen share, but also puts your webcam video. I'm going to skip this because these three are kind of similar. Let me show you this one. So this shares the screen as well as puts a tiny webcam feed on top of screen share. So you can see my webcam feed with background removed. I can change the position to right instead of left, and now it is on the right. All these examples are part of RTC Helper that I explained there as well. I'm going to show this one. This allows you to use your external device as a camera. So when I click on it, I'm running a local service which uses running locally, which uses Streams project that I had earlier. So when I capture here, it should give me a prompt which I can use on my mobile to stream from that window. So I'm going to open a different browser. Make sure you use a different persona. So this is a different browser profile than this one. Pasted that and streamed my video from here. So this video captured from this window, which could be a third-party application, is received here and streamed as a webcam. How do I know that this is actually the one? So if you change some constraints here, that will get changed there too. Or if you change the camera, so here I'm going to make it vertical, and my webcam video became vertical here. Now there are a number of screen share options also. I'm going to reset the settings here so that it removes all the uploaded windows, uploaded images and pictures. Let me select this one for screen share. This just puts a logo on top of the shared content. So this is the extra logo which you see here. You can of course change the position of it. It's on left now, so I'm sharing this window on this screen. You can change the text. My project, and that gets shared here. This is similar for logo and text. This one pixelates the screen so that all the text gets blurred. For privacy, for example, you can see that this window is shared there, but it's all blurred now. This one is similar to what I showed earlier, shares the screen with webcam. This one allows you to share two windows at the same time. This one allows you to share a portion of the screen or a window. So example, if I do this and reshare, say I select the whole screen. So it shows me which portion of the screen I want to share. So for example, if I only want to share the right side of it, I can make it smaller like that and click outside. Now it shares only the right side of the screen. As I move the right side, as I bring new apps into this, that will be shared, but not anything else. Again, useful for privacy. This one, the last one is about auto captioning by capturing the microphone audio and converting it to text using the built-in APIs. So when I do this and share my screen or window, say I'm sharing this one. Hello there, this is a test. You can see this caption is getting auto transcribed. You can change the position. It goes on the top. And whatever I speak, assuming that the transcription quality is good, will be sent as part of the screen share. So pretty useful feature for presentations or recording of your demos and so on. All this project, all these options are part of RTC Helper. The difference between RTC Helper and this project is that this project makes it more user-friendly by creating clickable customizations, and it is also applying these customization to all the websites instead of how RTC Helper did it for each domain. So if you change it here, it applies to all Get User Media on all websites. Of course, the other difference is that it's not developer friendly. You cannot change the code. It's fixed for all these predefined options.